Sound check, check, 1, 2. Too much energy right now. I'm like, what am I saying? What's up guys, it's Shireen here. Welcome back to my channel. I've got my kombucha, I've got my phone. Let's do this. Today I want to talk all about how to shop online for EDC. So we're talking clothes, makeup, accessories, everything. So I'm gonna start off with clothes because that's the most exciting to me, and I think your clothes are honestly where your whole outfit and look starts. You base your makeup and your accessories off your clothes. You feel me? I don't know, at least that's how I am. Comment down below if you're the same way. First up is Rave with Mi Gente. If you haven't heard of this brand, they're based out of Florida. Everything is handmade, hand-sewn. They constantly have new styles, and the best part is they have clothes for men and women. So no matter like what, you're gonna be able to find something, and all of their pieces are so freaking cute. Everything is very trendy. They're like beautiful. I'm sure you've seen their prints at every single festival. One of the most popular ones, in my opinion, is the acid bath. It's the whole like, how would you describe it? Like colorful, trippy print on black. I'll just insert a clip of me wearing it. How about that? That'll be a lot easier. I have the matching set, so it's the tube top and then the bell bottoms. Oh my god, so beautiful. I'm gonna be wearing that to EDC this year. It's gonna be one of my outfits. I'm so hyped about it. But like, in addition to that, they have so many other cute things, whether it's tube tops, just tops in general, bottoms, shorts, high-waisted shorts, everything. They have everything. They're great. Highly recommend checking them out. Also, Belle, the owner of the brand, is like the coolest ever. If you go check out her personal Instagram, her style is just next level. She's killing it. Okay, next up, we've got a swimwear brand. And I know this isn't technically a Rave company, but I think they're really great. They're a little bit pricey, a little bit pricey actually, but worth investing in. So this is Beach Right. I got my black one-piece bathing suit from there years ago. I want to say like 6 years ago. The material is so good. It's lasted me all of these years and nothing has broken. I wear it all the time. Like every single EDC, I wear this at least one of the days. And it's so comfy, the material is amazing. So for that reason, I really think it's worth investing in a one-piece bathing suit, because not only does it double as a bodysuit, like I love wearing these things with shorts and jeans, it just looks so cute, but it can also double as a Rave outfit, and it's just so comfy. I think everyone needs one black basic bodysuit, or just like some sort of black bodysuit, because they go with so many different looks and you can easily dress it up or just keep it super casual. Okay, this one is a favorite of, I'm pretty sure, a lot of people's. Dolls Kill is just the go-to site for basically anything and everything that you would want that is rave related. They have shoes, accessories, clothes, makeup, glitter, like everything. They've got it all. One of the most exciting things about Dolls Kill, in my opinion, is their boots. I don't know if you've seen them, but those really chunky platform, super high boots that come up to like your knees. I'm trying to like bring my knee into frame as if it'll fit. It won't fit. I don't know what I'm trying to do. Anyways, I'm sure you know what I'm talking about. It's like the YRU, or what's the other brand? Hold on, I gotta pull this up. Anyways, while I do this, the clothes and accessories and just everything of Dolls Kill is very edgy, but also still trendy. So there's definitely something for everyone, and if you want to make a statement, Dolls Kill is the place for you. Okay, let me try and find these brands. Doc Martens, yeah, but like, I'm not talking about Doc Martens, although I think those are also very cute. Club X, and then I know YRU for sure. I don't know why I'm not seeing it right now. The holographic shoes, or just like the iridescent ones, I'm drooling. I live for those. Love it! Anyways, that's why I think Dolls Kill is great. You should definitely check them out. Moving right along, we've got Amazon. Amazon is really great because of Prime, obviously, but they also have a lot of unique pieces that you don't really see on the sites that I just mentioned. I was able to find a really cool, what was it? It was a rash guard actually. It's like a bathing suit, and it protects you from the sun. I actually got it for ABGT, which one was it? I don't remember what number it was, but it was ABGT last summer, I believe. Anyways, it was this really pretty, colorful, kind of trippy one piece, and it looks so cool. It was only like $16 or something like that. Super affordable, came really quick. The only downside of it was that it kind of smelled like smoke when I first opened it, like cigarette smoke. And I'm very sensitive to that, so I hated that. But other than that, it was amazing and I love it. So just search on Amazon, like you can put in colorful one piece or just like rave top, rave bottom. So many things come up when you search. So just go through Amazon, have fun with it. You can also find really cheap accessories on there. I know we're not to accessories yet, but just side note, if you're looking for any sort of glitter adhesives or gems or just glitter glue, whatever, Amazon's your girl. Actually, that really makes me wonder, if Amazon had a gender, would it be a guy or a girl? I feel like a girl, because like, it's so powerful. Before we get into this next one, let's take a little kombucha break. By the way, in case anybody is wondering, this one is from Brew Doctor. It is the Clear Mind flavor. I got it from Costco. I've actually never tried this before, this brand I mean, but I love it. It doesn't have that typical kombucha taste where it smells like and tastes like feet. It smells and tastes really good. Anyways, moving back into apparel. The next one is Boohoo, and every single year, at least for the past few years, ever since I found out about them, they drop this beautiful, amazing festival collection, and they have a bunch of really trendy but super affordable pieces. Last year for EDC, I bought this holographic one piece from them. It had a cutout at the stomach, it was super cute, and actually after EDC, I discovered that at the bottom of it, it had that snap closure. So I could have made my life so much easier if I just paid attention to that. But no, when I went to the bathroom, I had to struggle like every other girl who wears one pieces that don't have those closures. Anyways, my point is, the fact that it has that closure is just so major because it's such a game changer when you go to the bathroom. So Boohoo, thank you for that. They also have things like fishnets. I got my fishnets from there. I think they were like $4. Again, super affordable. Everything from there is great. The quality, like, isn't the best, but if you take care of your clothes and you're not like crazy with handling your clothes, they'll last. I've had things from there for years, they're still in fine condition, so it's up to the owner, I think, when it comes to like maintaining your clothes. Okay, these next four I'm gonna lump into one category, and that is Instagram rave brands. I'm only doing this because that's where I discovered these brands, and I think they all have this really cool, unique, niche aesthetic, and they're also, I mean, I want to say they're all smaller. At least majority of these rave brands are, and I think that makes them really cool and unique because that means that you're gonna have something that's more likely to be custom, you know? It's not gonna be something that every other single girl has, and I think that's awesome. So these include Shop Be Glitz, Freedom Ravewear, Rolita Couture, and Escape. Escape has the sickest shoes. Like, their sneakers look so cool. They're super expensive, but it's something that I wouldn't mind investing in if I had the budget for it because they just look incredible. They have these really cool white sneakers. They're all white, they have a chunky heel, and they have these star cutouts on them. As soon as I saw them, I was like, oh my god, beautiful. I mean, for raves, not the best choice because I'm sure they would get dirty in 0.05 seconds, but just in general, they look amazing. Moving on into accessories, these are two brands that I also discovered on Instagram, and I think they're super cool. The first one is Brit Blossoms. She's so good at making these really cute accessories, and the one that I love the most is her disco crown. So it's basically a headband, and it has these little disco balls going all around it. It looks so cute, and she also has really trendy things like, you know how neon hairpins are really in right now, and just hairpins in general? Like, hairpins in neon right now are super hot. So she has these neon hairpins, and or hair clips actually, and they're just so cute. The next one is Fancy Unicorns, and they have fans with these really fun prints on them. If you've ever been to a festival, you know how hot it can get, and having that fan just blowing on you, even for 5 seconds, from a random stranger feels so good. This year, it is one of my priorities to bring a fancy EDC. It's something that I haven't done in the past, but I've always wanted to. So Fancy Unicorns is like the go-to one-stop shop for fans, because like they just look so cool. I mean, you can also find them on Amazon, honestly. If you want cheaper fans, go to Amazon. You can definitely get them there. You don't need anything fancy by any means. As long as it works and it keeps you cool, that's all that matters. Honestly, I think even the dollar store would have them. But I mean, not like the cool prints and stuff. It'll just be a basic fan. Let's talk about makeup. More specifically, glitter. I live for glitter. I have tried so many different types of glitter throughout my past, what has it been, like 6 years or something of attending festivals now, and I have found the core best glitters in my opinion. These are glitters that last all day, look beautiful, and are just really affordable. So the first one, and the one I'm the most excited about, is a newer launch, and it's just perfect because it's right in time for festival season. This is this quad right here from Pixi Beauty. They just recently launched this, and I got to play around with it at their Pixi House of Glow, which I attended a few weeks ago. It was like this massive launch of all their products. Anyway, sidetracked. So this quad right here is more of their pinky, reddish, purpley shades, and they are so beautiful. This one right here looks super cool because it has so many different colors of glitter in it. Like right now when I'm looking at it, I see purple, blue, green, yellow. Oh my god, these are so good. So these are more of a pressed glitter, and they work really well for eyeshadow. Literally just one swipe on your finger and on your eye and you're good to go. And whatever excess is remaining on your finger, you can use it to just tap on your collarbone or like your shoulders, your arms, wherever, and it'll look so pretty. They also last all day. This quad is such a must for festivals, and it makes it so easy for traveling because like you can literally just pop it into your makeup bag and you're good to go. You don't have to worry about the fuss of a glitter gel and worrying about it potentially leaking or spilling or dealing with cleaning that up, because that's not fun. Also, glitter gels tend to expire very quickly, and some of them smell like straight up freaking chemicals. Like, they smell really, really bad. This is not like that. So for that reason, it's Shirin approved. So the next glitter products that I'm super excited about are also from Pixi. These are their liquid fairy lights. So these are liquid eyeshadows. If you're familiar with the Stila ones, it's basically the same thing but more affordable. It's like a drugstore version. This one right here, Crystalline, is my absolute favorite. So it's white, but then it has all of these really pretty multicolored small glitters in it. So this works really well on top of any single eyeshadow shade. It just transforms it and makes it look so much more magical and like fun. Very fun. I love this shade. I use it all the time. Don't try to take it off with like a normal makeup remover because it won't really work that well. Micellar water is definitely the way to go. Oh, by the way, fun fact about this, don't overdo it. 2 coats is the perfect amount to get it really nice and built up and looking opaque. If you do anything like 3 coats or more than that, it's gonna start to crack, and I speak on that from experience. I did that when I went to ABGT. I was layering this on like crazy, and it definitely cracked, so yeah, don't do that. For lips, Buxom makes these really pretty holographic lip glosses. So they come in a bunch of different shades. The white one, which I can't find right now, is one of my favorites. And this one is also really cool too. This one is the shade Jordan. It's like a blue one. All of them are just very glittery, but it's not like overwhelming. It just looks really pretty. You can either wear these by themselves or layer them on top of lipsticks. They just look so magical and they're so fun for festival looks. They also have a cooling and plumping effect. It's not like super plumping, but like just a little bit. It's really pretty. Last but certainly not least are the Line Crime Diamond Dews. These These are also liquid glitter eyeshadows, but they have such a more diverse color range than Pixi. Pixi has more of these neutral tones, and more recently they did launch a green and a blue one, which I think are super fun and perfect for festivals. But Lime Crime definitely has more of an option if you're looking to explore and expand more into playing with color. These also hold up really nicely, last all day, but again, like, don't overdo it, because it's possible to overdo it. Just like 2 layers and you're good to go. There's actually one more thing from Lime Crime. Hold on, let me go grab that real quick. Their Unicorns Highlight Palette. This one is so pretty, and it has the perfect festival shades of highlighter. This blue right here is definitely calling my name. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. This one right here is more of like a purpley pink, and this one is just pink. They're so pretty on the skin. I think they're absolutely stunning for festivals. They're very buildable, so if you want that really super intense highlight, you can do that with this. I think this is actually really cool for applying first as a highlight and then going over it with like the Diamond Dew, or even this right here, the Liquid Fairy Lights, or honestly even this. Like, literally just apply this as a base, go over it with glitter, and you're gonna look bomb. So that is it. That is my EDC online shopping guide. If you have any favorite festival stores that I didn't mention, make sure to drop a comment down below and let me know what those are. I always love discovering new stores, especially for raves. If you liked this video and found it helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Bye!
Show them.